Blockchain is going to change everything about the way we work, pay bills, do business, travel, and live. With blockchain, voters could cast votes right from their phone or computer. Medical records can be shared with multiple providers without the risk of privacy breaches. Financial services can be done faster and with cheaper settlements, saving billions of dollars from transaction costs. Even in this moment, innovators are building blockchain-based applications that serve these needs. Blockchain is an electronic ledger with some nifty security features. It's a record-keeping technology that's nearly impossible to tamper with. That's because a blockchain's records are openly available to everyone, like a public spreadsheet that no one can edit. If someone manages to mess with the ledger for nefarious reasons, there will be a million other instances of the correct ledger that exist. And what's more, the technology itself can reject the fake ledger by recognizing that it doesn't match the millions of other records out there. Blockchain can be programmed to record virtually everything of value and importance to humankind. Its significance is a lot like the invention of the internet in the 90s. Like the World Wide Web of information, this is the worldwide ledger of value. With blockchain technology, there's no need for a central authority or middleman to approve transactions. This means innovators may no longer be forced to seek the blessing of public officials before they develop and deploy new devices and services. This can result in more competition and thus better services, higher quality goods, increased social responsibility, and more jobs. The sharing economy is one of the best examples of permissionless innovation in action today. Just a few years ago, most people had not even heard of the term, but were tired of high hotel rates and bad taxi experiences. Today, many of us use one of these technologies daily. Blockchain technology will enable even more disruptive technologies to make our lives easier, safer, and better. When a technology moves so quickly, businesses shouldn't sit on the sidelines. Blockchain is moving from a startup idea to an established technology in a tiny fraction of the time it took for the internet or even the PC to be accepted as a standard tool. Blockchain will light the fire to allow anyone to create the next industry-toppling innovation.